This is the Baby Nasal Aspirator. It does come in this little container box for you to store everything. It comes with a little clamp. It comes with a little brush for you to be able to get in there and clean it. It comes with an additional silicone head for inside. It did also come in here with a little spare parts for it, which I already used because I lost one. But this nasal aspirator is amazing. I really love it, especially because it plays music and it has little lights, which I'll show you now. It kept my baby from crying when he was smaller. He would laugh whenever I turned it on, but I'll show you now. Look. So it does have 3 levels of suction, and it changes colors, the lights, and it plays music. So you can change the color of it with this button. See? And you can also change the music on it. And that's great because you're able to keep them entertained while you're trying to use the suction on it. And it has 3 levels of suction. So right now it's on level 3. It has level 1, level 2, and then level 3. Again, really love it because of the music and the lights. These parts, you can take it off to clean. So it just looks like this. You take this off and you're able to clean this and wash it. This also comes apart. And you see this little gray part right here is what comes as a spare because that's exactly what I lost somewhere. But I really like this, especially because it comes with 2 different silicone heads for, I guess, different size nostrils as the baby grows. It comes with the music, the lights, and the 3 settings, and you're able to recharge it. So you don't even have to bother about putting batteries in it. I really like it. My baby likes it. I like that it comes in a kit. I like that it comes with the spare parts and the cleaning items. If you have a baby, this is one of the ones that I do recommend, at least in the beginning, especially because they'll be really entertained with the music and the light and they won't be scared.